I finally made it back to my garden, my community plots over here, some miles away from where I live, and oh my god, I haven't been here in about a week because it's been raining and thunderstorming, and you can't, garden in the rain. But holy, it's like jungle habitat over here. I got a lot of work to do today. But first I want to show you. I'm trying to make it so you guys don't get sick. Here's my chamomile. And I got to pick today. And, oh, hello bee. Hello. Yes, they like the flowers. Hello. I just want you to look over there. My echinacea has come in. Look at that. Woohoo! And some nasturtiums down there. And, oh, my lettuce has gone to seed. Uh-oh. And I was looking this up the other day. They call these morning glories. Well, the person who planted them years ago, which was not me, called them morning glories. But they are actually related to something called bindweed. And I believe it because these little vines crawl all over the place and choke the hell out of anything that's around. And so we have to get rid of them a little bit. I can see my basils coming up. Some calendula leaves. Oh my god, these weeds. I don't know what these are. I didn't plant them. But the bugs seem to like to eat the leaves, so I'm debating on keeping one or two of them. Over here we have some milkweed. It's growing by itself. Oh wow, I really have to thin those carrots. There's green beans somewhere over there. This is going to be a big job, so I had better get to it. I will hopefully be back later if nobody comes by and watches me and films things. Okay, getting to it. See you in a bit. Alright, short update. See, I told you. There's my basil right in the middle row. And there's my calendula in the far right. And that is peppers and cilantro. But I made an error while I was weeding, violently weeding. I pulled out one of my jalapeno plants. And I'm very sad. But I have two more. I ripped it right out of the ground, then I noticed it had jalapenos on it. I was very sad. Anyway, I've been putting down some more easy straw. Easy straw. For when you need your straw to be easy. And no, this is not sponsored or anything. I'm just being an idiot. So those are some radishes that just went too far. Don't let your radishes get like this. Tame your radishes. Over here, somewhere, there's leeks among these tall grasses. And trying to separate the grass from the leeks is nearly impossible without ripping out the leeks. So, there's my carrots. Feathery carrots. My beans in the back. No beans yet. I think I'm getting a tomato though. There's my tomato. He's an heirloom. And I've never bought heirloom tomatoes before, but because of pandemic 2020, I had no choice of what kind of tomato I had. It was like this or Roma, and that was it. So, I see you, sumac. I see you, you bastard. I'll get you again. Yeah, and my cucumbers, I either pulled them out or something. I don't know what happened over there. It's just, gardening is a battle. And I'm trying to fight the battle and I'm not doing that well. So I don't have to water, but it is getting muggy again out here, and I think, well, I'll dump these weeds and I'll see how I feel. I might be back for more. Hold on. Are you recording? I can't even tell. Yeah, the traffic's picking up, so I'm gonna leave soon, but holy sage. Hello, sage. And of course, oh, there's another bee. Hi, bee. This one back there. The bees love the catnip flowers, so I don't feel bad about letting them get out of control because it's bee food. Don't sting me. I used to be deathly afraid of bees. You can tell because I just pulled back from that one. But I've gotten over that mostly. Yeah, my eggplants are dead over there. Okay. But my echinacea's growing. Hello, echinacea. Welcome. My lemon balm is going to flower also. Yeah, so I think that's it for your garden tour today. Little updates. Oh, a bee just landed on the echinacea. You probably can't see that. I can, believe me. So I am done for the day, I think. There's mint trying to take over. Spearmint, to be exact. It smells so pretty, though. But you can't be everywhere. No, you can't. Oh, you smell so delicious, though. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, I keep finding more things. This looks like sunflowers. Not the mammoth ones, just the shorter ones. So we'll look out for those in the upcoming weeks. And I don't know what to do with this mess in the front. I planted flower seeds, and I don't know what is a flower and what is not, so we're going to have to wait on that. More chucks! Yay. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm going to dump my stuff and try again tomorrow when it's cooler and less muggy. Alright, goodbye from the garden. Goodbye. I almost forgot. There is one more thing I wanted to show you guys. See beyond the trees over there? The mountain ridge line? That's the Appalachian Mountains, by the way, if you were curious. You could see it better, of course, in the fall when there's no leaves on the trees, but yeah. See, I live in the mountains. Appalachian Mountains. Okay, that's it. Bye. So, this is what used to be my garden. I haven't been here in about a week because of oppressive heat, a hurricane, and various errands that I didn't know I had to do that I ended up doing that didn't include the garden. So here is the big mess. And I'm going to go soon because I got here pre-dawn. I don't think you're even supposed to, but I don't care because I have to get here before the sun comes out because that's when the bees come out. And that's when it gets so really, really hot and I can't take it. I'm not good with the heat. So, yeah, we have the sunflower here, about to bloom. And this one I kind of tore down because it was encroaching on somebody else's garden. those purple, what do you call them? Morning glories. They're called bindweed also. And as you can see, I never planted these. They just took over the garden. Somebody who had this garden plot before me had planted them like 4 or 5 years ago, and they still come up. So, yeah, it's looking pretty bad. Lots of sage over here. I took some to harvest. All the, what's it called? Catnip has gone to flower. So has the oregano over there. You see my echinacea in the back. And my sunflower. That's my sunflower. Look at that sunflower. Holy crap. Yeah, I can't even get to some of this stuff. So I've done a little bit of pruning, but I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to do a little every day. That's all there is to it. So I got some catnip to bring home to the kitties. A couple tomatoes, sage. So that's it. So I'd show you my shame. So there you go. I gotta go, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.